And oh my god, guys, the free Chrono Crystals are here in my Dragon Ball Legends game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Yo guys, free Chrono Crystals in Dragon Ball Legends game. This is not any hack or cheat, guys. This is possible thanks to our great sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. So alright, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. And I'm gonna open my game and show you how's the situation right now. And as you can see, not too great, but we're going to change that as soon as possible. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one, guys, not anything else. Then I search for the Dragon Ball Legends game to find it easier and tap on start. Here I'm entering my user ID, then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of Chrono Crystals. As I've already mentioned, guys, these resources are given by our sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them, but don't worry about it because this step is super easy and it will only take you a few minutes of your time. Now let's go back to the game and see what happened. And oh my god, guys, the free Chrono Crystals are here in my Dragon Ball Legends game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you guys also enjoyed this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one too if you wish. See you in the next one.